In the previous class, 4 sums completed now. Now we will continue next sum, fifth sum. What is the fifth question? Find the smallest number that must be added to 128 so that it becomes exactly divisible by 5. So you have to find the smallest number that must be added to 128 so that it becomes exactly 5. Okay. What is the given number here? Given number is 128. What is the given number? 128. So which number you have to add it to this number? Then it will divisible by 5. So which number? What is the rule for divisibility by 5? In the units place 0 or 5. Is there? That means that number will be divisible by 5. So here 8 is there. So how many you have to add it to this number? We get 0. So it must be added 2. Okay. If you add 2 here, 128 plus 2 how much? 130. So units place is 0. So 130 is divisible by 5. Okay. The smallest number that must be added to 128 is 2. Which number we have to add it here? 2. So therefore 128 plus 2. How much? 128 plus 2? 130. So 130 is divisible by 5? Yes. Why? Because here units place is 0 is there. Okay. So it will be divisible by 5. Is divisible by next question. See the next question. Find the smallest number that has to be subtracted from 276 so that it becomes exactly divisible by 10. What is the question given here? Find the smallest number that has to be subtracted from 276 so that it becomes exactly divisible by 10. 276 number is given. So which number you have to subtract it? That number is divisible by exactly by 10. So what is the rule for divisible by 10? The number having 0 at one's place, it is divisible by 10. So here 1 minus 276 is there. So 0 means which number you have to subtract? Minus 6. So what is the given number, children? Given number is 276. Okay. So you will never have
Just check it out now. Class is going on. Just check it out now.
Can you clear it above? So given number is 276. So which number you have to subtract it? The smallest number that has to be subtracted, that has to be subtracted from 276 is which number you have to subtract it will become 0. You have to subtract it 6 is 6. So therefore 276 minus 6. How much 276 minus 6? 270. 270. So 270 is divisible by 10 or not? Yes. Why? Because in the ones place is 0. So it is divisible by exactly divisible by 10. Okay. 270 is divisible by 10. Okay. Come on, right. See the next problem. Write all the numbers between 100 and 200 which are divisible by 6. So you have to write the numbers between 100 to 200 which are divisible by 6. Okay. Page number 32. Page number 32. So what are the numbers between 100 and 200 which are divisible by 6? 100 is divisible by 6, children. It is divisible by 6 or not? What is the rule for 6? That number is divisible by both 2 and 3. 100 is divisible by 2, but 3 is not divisible. So 100 is not divisible. Next 101. 101 is not divisible by 2. Why? Because in the ones place 1 is there. So that's why it is not divisible by 2. Next 102. 102 is divisible by 2. 102 is divisible by 3 or not? Yes, 1 0 to 1 plus 0 plus 2. 1 plus 2 how much? 3. So 3 is divisible by 3. So 102 is divisible by 6. The number the numbers between 100 and 200 are divisible by 6 or what are the numbers? The numbers between 100 and 200 are what are the numbers? 102 is divisible by 6. Next number, what is the next number? You have to add 6, 6. Okay, 102 plus 6, how much? 108. And next, again add 6, how much? 114. Okay, and next add 6, 120. And next add 6, 126. Next add 6, 132. Next 6, 138. And add 6 again. What will become 144. And again add 6, 150. Again add 6, 156. 162. 168. Next 174. 180. 186. 192. Next 198. So these are all divisible by 6. or divisible by 6. Okay, can you do how to do? Did you know how to do? First, you have to check one number only. Between 120 to 100, which one is divisible by 6? Both 2 and 3 tables. So, 100 is divisible by 2, but not by 3. 110, it is divisible by 2? No, it is not divisible. So, leave it. Next number is 102. 102 is divisible by 2. Why? Because the 1 plus 2 is there, no? So it is divisible by 2 and divisible by 3. What is the rule? 1 plus 0 plus 2. How much? 1 plus 2, 3. 3 is divisible by 3. So both are divisible. 2 and 3. So that is divisible by 6. Then next number you have to add 6 to any other numbers. Then you will get the divisibles. Okay? Right. See the next one. Write the greatest 4-digit number which is divisible by 9. Is it divisible by 3? What do you notice? See here, you have to write the greatest 4-digit number. But which one is the greatest 4-digit number? You have to write 4 9. That is 9999. That is divisible by 9. Yes, it is divisible by 9. You have to check it is divisible by 3 or not. Okay? So the greatest 4-digit number is the greatest 4-digit number is what is the number? 9999. 9999. Which is divisible by 9. It is divisible by 9 or not? Yes, all are 9s are enough, so it is divisible by 9. Now what you have to do? Is it divisible by 3? Is it divisible by 3? What is the rule? Sum of the digits. Sum of the digits equal to 9 plus 9 plus 9 plus 9. So 9 plus 9, how much? 18. 18 plus 9. 18 plus 9, how much? 27. 27 plus 9. 36. 36. So 36 is divisible by 3 or not? Yes, 3. It was 36 now. Is divisible by 3. So therefore 9999 is divisible by 3. Okay? Right. Next problem is which of the following are divisible by 8? So here 4 numbers are given. These 4 numbers are which are divisible by 8. You have to check it. What is the rule for divisibility by 8? You have to check the last 3 digits. Whether the 3 digits are divisible by 8 or not. You have to check it and the whole number is divisible by 8. Okay. So first one. What is the first number? 138. Okay, you have to check it which number is divisible by 8 or not. So what is the rule? We have to take last 3 digits. It's 238. Okay. So 238 is divisible by 8 or not? You have to check it. Okay. The last 3 digits numbers are 238. So 238 is divisible by 8 or not? You have to check it. How to check it? You have to do the actual division. Actual division. Okay, 23 is there. So which number you have to take? 24. It is bigger than this. Okay. So what you have to take? 8 to 16. So 13 minus 6. How much? 7. Now bring down 8. 78 is divisible by 8? No. 8 9 72. So 6 is the remainder. So it's not remainder 0. Here 6 is the remainder. So it is not divisible by 8. Okay, children? So what is the 238 is not divisible by 8. So the whole number 1238 is not divisible by 8. Okay? 238 is not divisible by 8. So therefore 1238 is not divisible by 8. Can you understand children how to do? Come on, right? 13,576. Second one is 13,576. Now in the eighth table, what you have to take last 4-digit number. In the fourth table, you have to take last 3-digit number. Okay? The last 4-digit number are, what is the 4-digit and last 4-digit? 3,576. 3,576. Now we have to check it by actual division. It is divisible by 8 or not. How many times? 8 times 40. 8 fours 32. So 3 is the remainder, bring down 7. Again 8 fours 32. 7 minus 2 5. Bring down 6. 8 sevens 56. So it is divisible by, remainder will be 0 now, so it is divisible by 8. Okay. So therefore 3,576 is divisible by 8. Therefore total number 13,576 is divisible by 8. Okay. Right. The last 3-digit number, that is 576. Eight sevens 56. 1. Bring down 6. 8 twos 60. So 576 is divisible by 8. Therefore 13,576 is divisible by 8. Next question, see. Write the nearest number to 12,345 which is divisible by 4. So you have to write the nearest number to 12,345 which is divisible by 4. So here last one's place is 5 is, so it is not divisible by 4. So which is the number nearest to this number? It is divisible by 4. How to check it? Given number is 12,345. What is the nearest number? It is divisible by 4. How to check it? What is the rule for divisible by 4? You have to take the last two digits. Last two digits. 45 is not divisible by 4. Take 46. 46 is divisible by 4. No, it is not divisible by 6. So you have to take the before number. 45 before number is 44. 44 is divisible by 4. Yes, it is divisible by 4. So which is the nearest number? The nearest number to 12,345, which is divisible by 4 is, what is the nearest number? 12,344. So last two digits 44. 44 is divisible by 4. So that this whole number also divisible by 4. That is the rule. Okay children? Right.